Hey everybody, it's 11:20 and 12 seconds on November 2nd. This is the drawing for yet another Swamp Thing #1. But you guys think I have about 50 copies. I probably do. So, over here are the 14 filled spots I just showed you on the left. Let's roll the 3 dice. The number is 14. Gonna randomize 14 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. Try my best to ship it out today. Worst case, it'll probably go out on Monday, which is the 5th. Best of luck. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and here comes the final one, 14, final spot taken. Guy Becker, congratulations, spot number 8. Time is 11:21 and 10